Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational Channel. ఈరోజు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ 1Aలో ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ తర్వాత హైయెస్ట్ వెయిటేజ్ ఉన్నటువంటి టాపిక్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. మనం ఆల్రెడీ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ స్టార్ట్ చేసాము. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ అప్ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేసాం మనం. సో దాంతోపాటు ఇది కూడా ప్రిపేర్ అయితే మీకు నేను చెప్పాను కదా 40+ అంటే 50 వరకు మార్క్స్ మనం స్కోర్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. So we will start our topic properties of triangles. 22 marks in 22 minutes. Our first question, prove that cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 equal to S square by delta. ఇక్కడ మనకు 4 plus 4 7 plus 4 7 total 22 marks ఉన్నాయి. So cot A by 2 we can write this as S into S minus A by delta. A ఉంటే S minus A వస్తుంది, B ఉంటే S minus B వస్తుంది, C ఉంటే S minus C వస్తుంది. So we replace that values. S by delta common తీస్తే మనకు 3s minus of a plus b plus c వచ్చింది. A plus b plus c is nothing but 2s. So 3s minus 2s we can get s square by delta. Like this we can prove this is very important for 4 marks question. Next important question, if sin theta is equal to a by b plus c, then show that cos theta equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. So first what is given here, sin theta is equal to a by b plus c, but the problem is in terms of cos. So squaring on both sides, then sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. By simplifying we can get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus of a square by b plus c whole square. So by simplifying again we can get a square minus b square form, a plus b into a minus b. So then we can get b plus c plus a into b plus c minus a. We already know a plus b plus c is nothing but 2s. We replace with the 2s value, and b plus c is nothing but 2s minus a. Again we replace with that value. So by substituting all these values we can get cos square theta is equal to 4 into s minus a by b plus c whole square. Here multiplying dividing by bc. So then what we can get, 4bc by b plus c whole square, and remaining s into s minus a by bc. S into s minus b by ac is bc is nothing but cos square a by 2. So we replace with that value. So we want only cos theta na? Cos theta is equal to root of this. Then by simplifying we can get 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. This is also very important for 4 marks question. Next 7 marks question. Cot a by 2 is to cot b by 2 is to cot c by 2 is equal to 3 is to 5 is to 7 given. Then we want to find out, or we want to show here a is to b is to c is equal to 6 is to 5 is to 4. This is also very important, easy question. We already know cot a by 2 is nothing but s into s minus a by delta. If tan is there, it will be reversed. So wherever cot is there, we replace with that value. So s into s minus a by delta, s into s minus b by delta, s into s minus c by delta. Then s by delta cancel, we can get s minus a by 3 is equal to s minus b by 3 is equal to s minus c by 7 is equal to k. By simplifying and adding we can get s is equal to 15k. So but we want a is to b is to c na. By substituting the value of s is equal to 15k in that given equations, we can get like this here. One equation 1 implies wherever s is there we replace that 15k. So then by simplifying, a value will be 12k, b value will be 10k, and c value will be 8k. So a is to b is to c will be 12k is to 10k is to 8k. K cancel. By simplifying we can get 6 is to 5 is to 4. So here the important step is by replacing the value of cot a by 2 value. So like this we can get 7 marks. Next 7 marks question. A is given, b is given, c is given. Then we have to find out r value as 65 by 8, and r is equal to 4, r1 equal to 21 by 2, r2 and r3 values. We already know 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c. Then we can get s value is 21. So delta is nothing but under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. We replace all the values, we can get delta value as 84. Delta is equal to abc by 4r. So r is equal to what? abc by 4 delta. We have all the values. By replacing that we can get capital R value as 65 by 8. Okay. Now again delta is equal to r s, small r into small s. Then r is equal to delta by s. We replace with the delta value and s value, we can get r value as 4. And r1 equal to delta by s minus a, and r2 is equal to delta by s minus b, and r3 is equal to delta by s minus c. We have all values. By replacing this we can get r1, r2, r3 value. So definitely we will expect this question for this annual exam also. Next question, show that a square cot a plus b square cot b plus c square cot c equal to abc by r. So we already know small a is nothing but 2r sin a, b is equal to 2r sin b, and c is equal to 2r sin c. We replace with that value, and cot a can be written as cos by sin, cot b cos by sin b, cot c cos c by sin c. By cancelling sin a, we can get 2r square into 2 sin a cos a, 2r square into 2 sin b cos b, and 2r square into 2 sin c cos c. We already know 2 sin a cos a is nothing but sin 2a. So sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. We already know sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is nothing but 4 sin a sin b sin c. We replace with that value. So then we can get 8r square sin a sin b sin c. 8 2 into 2 into 2 na r square is there. Lack of 1r, just we multiply and dividing r in the third position. Then we can get 2r sin a into 2r sin b into 2r sin c by r. 2r sin a is nothing but small a. So then finally it will be abc by r. Like this we can calculate the answer. In the next step, next question, b minus c whole square into cos square a by 2 plus b plus c whole square into sin square a by 2 is equal to a square. So we may expect this for 4 marks question. Right. First expand this b minus c whole square and b plus c whole square. Now b square plus c square is common for both of the terms. We can get cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2, and minus 2bc term as common term, then cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2 is nothing but 1. That is the identity. Cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 is nothing but cos a. Cosine formulas. So by replacing that, we can get b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. We already know the cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc cosine rules. So then by simplifying that, we can get that as a square. So finally we got the answer. Next question, cot a plus cot b plus cot c is equal to a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta. So cot a plus cot b plus cot c can be written as sigma cot a. Cot a is nothing but cos a by sin a. Cos a is nothing but by cosine rule b square plus c square minus ac by 2bc. So then delta is equal to half bc sin a, na? Delta formula. Then bc sin a can be replaced as 2 delta. So then we can get 1 by 4 delta. Take that as a common. Then b square plus c square minus a square. Expand it. We can get by cancellation a square plus b square plus c square in the numerator. So finally the answer will be a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta. This is also important for 4 marks question. The next question, a is equal to b minus c sec theta is given. We want to find out tan theta is equal to 2 root bc by b minus c into sin a by 2. So then first sec theta can be written as a by b minus c. Sec square theta can be written as a square by b minus c whole square. Sec square theta is nothing but sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then by replacing that values, tan square theta we can get as x square theta minus 1. I replaced with that value and we used a plus b plus c as 2s. So by simplifying that, we can get 2 times of s minus c into 2 times of s minus b by b minus c whole square. So by multiplying dividing by bc, we can get 4 times of bc by b minus c whole square into s minus b into s minus c by bc is nothing but sin a by 2. So that is nothing but sin square a by 2. Sorry. Why? Because root is there, no? Then it will be sin square a by 2. So then tan theta is equal to root of this. We can get 2 root bc by b minus c into s sin a by 2. Like this we can calculate the answer. Just modify that, sin a by 2 is equal to root of that, root of s minus b into s minus c by bc. In the next question, a cube cos b minus c plus b cube cos c minus a plus c cube cos a minus b is equal to 3abc. First take the LHS part. So instead of writing all places, apply sigma for that. So sigma a square into a cos b minus c. A can be written as 2r sin a, and sin a can be written as sin of b plus c. Why? Because a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. 2 sin a cos b is nothing but sin 2a plus sin 2b. So like that, sin 2b plus sin 2c. And replace that values a square as 2r sin b as one term into cos b, 2r sin c as one term into cos d. 2r sin b is nothing but small b and 2r sin c is nothing but small c. By replacing that value and expanding, by taking AB as common, BC as common, C as common, A cos B plus B cos A, that is nothing but small c, and B cos C plus C cos B, that is nothing but small a, and A cos C plus C cos B, that is nothing but B. So finally ABC plus ABC plus ABC, we can get 3ABC. So this is also very important for 7 marks question. The next question, in triangle ABC, R1 is equal to 8, R2 is equal to 12 and R3 is equal to 24 is given. Then we want to find out ABC values. R1 is nothing but delta by S minus A, and R2 is nothing but delta by S minus B, and R3 is nothing but delta by S minus C. So by simplifying that, we can get S minus A as delta by 8, S minus B as delta by 12, s minus c as delta by 24. Adding this s minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c, we can get delta as common, then 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. So then a plus b plus c as 2s. So 3s minus 2s we can get as s delta. Remaining, by simplifying, we can get here ss cancel, then it will be r by 4 is equal to 1, then r is equal to 4, right? So we have one more formula, delta square is equal to r into r1 into r2 into r3. We have all values. By replacing that, we can get delta square as 8 square into 2r square, and delta as 8 into 12, that will be 96. Again, one more form is there, delta is equal to rs, then s is equal to delta by r. Replacing remaining values, we can get s as 24. So now we have s value, delta value and r value. Just replace the values in that. Delta by s minus a is equal to delta by 8, then we can get a value will be 12, then s minus b is equal to delta by 12, then b value will be 16, then s minus c is equal to delta by 24. If you replace that value, we can get c value as 20. Like this, we can calculate the values of a, b, c as 12, 16, 20. This is also very important. In the next question, r1 is equal to 2, r2 is equal to 3, and r3 is equal to 6. And smaller value will be given 1, then prove that a is equal to b is equal to c as 3, 4, 5. So whenever r, r1, r2, r3 is a, delta square can be written as r into r1 into r2 into r3. By replacing that values, we can get delta square equal to 6 square, and delta value will be 6. Delta is equal to rs, now we want s, then delta by r. Then it will be 6 by 1, that is equal to 6. S value will be 6. We already know r1 as delta by s minus a. So replacing r1 value and delta value there, we got small a value as 3. r2 is equal to delta by s minus b, in the sense, by replacing all the values, we can get 6 minus b as 2, then b value will be 4. Then r3 is equal to delta by s minus c. By replacing the value r3 as 6 and delta value as 6, 6 minus 6, c value as 1 and c is equal to 5. Like this, we can get a, b, c value as 3, 4, 5. So this is also very important for 7 marks question. I explained in terms of r1, r2, r3 and ABC values 3 questions. From these 3 questions, definitely we can get 1 7 marks question. In the next problem, r plus r3 plus r1 minus r2 is equal to 4r cos b is given here. We have to show here. First, divide that into 2 parts. R plus r3 as one part, r1 minus r2 as one part. So r plus r3, r is nothing but 4r sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. r3 in the sense, only third term will be sin, remaining will be cos. So 4r cos a by 2, cos b by 2, sin c by 2. By taking 4r sin a, c by 2 common, then we can get cos of a minus b by 2. Then r1 minus r2 as r1. So first term only the sin, remaining 2 cos. r2, second term only the sin, remaining cos. So in this 4r cos c by 2 common, we can get 4r cos c by 2 into, that is in the form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, that is nothing but sin of a minus b. So sin of a minus b by 2. So by taking the LHS, we can get 4r common, then sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Then this will be sin a cos b plus cos a sin b form, that is nothing but sin of a plus b. By replacing that value, c plus a minus b, the value will be c plus a minus b by 2. A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees now. Then c plus a value will be 180 minus b, then 180 minus b minus b, 180 minus 2b. By simplifying, we can get, that is 90 minus b. So sin 90 minus b theta is nothing but cos theta. It is in the first quadrant, that will be positive. So 4r cos b. So finally, r plus r3 plus r1 minus r2 value, we got that as a 4r cos b. This is also very important for 7 marks question. Okay, by taking 2 parts, we can solve this problem. In the next question, r1 by bc plus r2 by ca plus r3 by ab is equal to ar1 plus br2 plus cr3 by abc we have to get. So 1 by abc, abc as a LCM, then we can get 1 by abc is equal to sigma ar1. So 1 by abc is equal to sigma a is nothing but 2r sin a and r1 is nothing but s tan a by 2. So sin a can be written as 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 and tan a by 2 can be written as sin a by 2 cos a by 2. By simplifying that, we can get 4rs by abc and sigma sin square a by 2. Sin square a by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos a by 2. Take 1 by 2 outside, 1 minus cos a plus 1 minus cos b plus 1 minus cos c. By expanding, we can get like that. So by simplifying, we can get 1 by 2r into 3 minus of cos a plus cos b plus cos c. We already know cos a plus cos b plus cos c as 1 plus 4r sin a by 2, sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. We replace that value. By simplifying, we can get 2 by 2r minus 4 by 2r into sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. So we already know small r value as 4r sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2, but we have only 4 sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. We can replace that value as small r by capital R. Small r cancel, we can get finally 1 by r minus 1 by 2r. So this is also very important for 7 marks question. In the next question, prove that r1 into r2 plus r3 by root of r1 r2 plus r2 r3 plus r3 r1 is equal to small a. First, take the numerator part, r1 into r2 plus r3. r1 is nothing but delta by s minus a, and r2 is nothing but delta by s minus b, and r3 is nothing but delta by s minus c. So in the bracket s minus b and s minus c common, then we can get s minus c plus s minus b. By simplifying, we can get delta square into s plus is 2s, that is minus of b plus c. Okay, right. 2s b plus 2s minus of a plus b plus c is nothing but a. We already know a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. So finally we can get here delta square into small a into s small a. By multiplying dividing s there. So in the denominator s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, that will be delta square. So delta square get cancelled, it will be as. In the denominator r1 r2 plus r2 r3 plus r3 r1 is there. By replacing, we can get delta square as common, and s minus a into s minus b into s minus c as the LCM. In the numerator, it will be 3 minus of a plus b plus c. We already know a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, and 3s minus 2s will be s. Here also multiplying dividing s there, we can get a delta square in the denominator also. Delta square cancel, it will be s square. But root is there, na? Root s square is nothing but s. So numerator is as and the denominator is s. S get cancelled, we can get the answer as e. So this is also very important. So here the step is take numerator as separate and denominator as separate. By calculating all the simplification, replace that value in the LHS, we can get the answer. In the next question, 1 by r square plus 1 by r1 square plus 1 by r2 square plus 1 by r3 square equal to a square plus b square plus c square by delta square. We can expect in either 4 or 7 marks question. We already know delta is equal to rs and r is equal to delta by s, and 1 by r is nothing but s by delta. r1 is nothing but delta by, it will be reverse na, s by s minus a by delta. Okay, 1 by r value s by delta and 1 by r1 value as s minus a by delta. Now replace r1 value, r2 value and r3 value in the LHS part. We can get s square by delta square plus s minus a whole square by delta square plus s minus b whole square by delta square plus s minus c whole square by delta square. Then 1 by delta square common, we can get 4s square minus 2s common, a plus b plus c, and plus a square plus b square plus c square. Then 1 by delta square into a plus b plus c as 2s. So 2s into 2s is 4s square. Then 4s square get cancelled. We can get a square plus b square plus c square in the numerator, delta square in the denominator. So finally we got the answer as a square plus b square plus c square by delta square. So we have to remember r1 value as s minus a by r1 value as delta by s minus a na. So 1 by r1 will be s minus a by delta. Like that we can get the answer. In the next problem, ab minus r1 r2 by r3 is equal to bc minus r2 r3 by r1 is equal to ca minus r2 r1 by r2. So ab by r1 r2 by r3, if you take a is nothing but 2r sin a, b is nothing but 2r sin b, r1 is nothing but, whenever r1 is there, only in the place of r1 first position sign remaining 2 causes, r2 in the sense second position sign remaining causes. By simplifying that, 2r into 2r will be 4r square sin a sin b minus, that is 16r square into sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos square c by 2 cos a by 2 and sin a by 2, and denominator r3 will be in the third position sign remaining causes. So we can get 4r square sin a sin b, and remaining will be, we are dividing 16r square as 2r into sin a by 2 cos a by 2, 2r into sin b by 2 cos b by 2, and remaining as 4 cos square c by 2. Next, 4r square sin a sin b minus 4r square cos square c by 2 into, we can write 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 as sin a, 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2 as sin b. Then the next step, 4r square sin A, sin B common, then we can get 1 minus cos square C by 2. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. So we wrote that as sin square C by 2. Sin A can be written as 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, and sin B can be written as 2 sin B by 2 cos B by 2. In the denominator, by cancellation of cos A by 2 cos B by 2 and sin C by 2, we can get 4r sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 in the numerator part. That is nothing but small r. Why? Because small r will be 4r sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. I replace with the value r. So I took only the first one. I calculated that the value as r. Similarly, BC minus R2 by R3, R2 R3 by R1 also we can get r, and CA minus R3 R1 by R2 also we can get r. So that's why we can get AB minus R1 R2 by R3 is equal to BC minus R2 R3 by R1 is equal to CA minus R3 R1 by R2 is equal to small r. This is also very important question for the 7 marks. In this question, in triangle ABC, if AD, BE and CF are the perpendiculars drawn from the vertices small a, B, C to the opposite sides. So these are nothing but orthocenters or perpendiculars. So we can treat that as a height. So that's why delta is equal to half BC sin A, half BC into half into base into height, half BC into AD. BC is nothing but small a. That's why 2 delta by A is equal to AD. Then 1 by AD will be small a by 2 delta. In the same manner, 1 by B will be small b by 2 delta, and 1 by CF will be C by 2 delta. 1 by 2 delta is common. In the numerator, A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C will be 2S. So finally we can get delta is equal to RS now. SS cancel 1 by R. So this is the answer for the first one. The second one, AD into B into CF. We already know AD is nothing but 2 delta by A. So B is nothing but 2 delta by B, and CF is nothing but 2 delta by C. By multiplying, we can get 8 delta cube by small ABC. Delta is nothing but ABC by 4R. So in the place of delta, I replace ABC by 4R. Then it will be 4 ABC whole cube by 4R whole cube. So ABC cancel here. In the numerator, ABC whole square we can get here 8 into ABC whole square by 64R cube. 8 1 8 8. So finally it will be ABC whole square by 8R cube. Like this we can calculate this answer. So these are the important questions in the properties of triangle. ఇవి కాక ఇంకా చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. మ్యాక్సిమం ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్లో నుంచి యాన్యువల్ ఎగ్జామ్ రావడానికి చాయిస్ ఉంది. బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్, ఆల్ ది ఫస్ట్ for all the students. Thank you.